Today we are going to solve this set. We are given that U is the universal set, so let's write here U equal to 1 up to 50. After that, let's try to write all the sets in the ascending order. So let's try to write A in the ascending order. So the smallest number is 4, next is 8, next is 12, next is 16, next is 24, next is 30, next is 38, and next is 46. This is A. Next, B is the smallest number is 3, next is 13, next is 19, next is 21, next is 33, next is 37, next is 43, and next is 45. This is the set. After that, let's try to write y also. Y is equal to the smallest number in y is 13, next is 18, next is 21, next is 24, next is 30, next is 40, 38, next is 45, next is 49, and z is equal to 2, 44, and 15. This is the equation. This is the set. So for the first part, A union B. A union B, if we calculate A union B is simple that all the terms of A, and we put only one term for the common elements. Consider this: A equal to 1, 2, and 3. If A equal to 1, 2, and 3, and B is equal to 1, then A union B 1 and 4. A union B is equal to, there is common term 1, right? So only we need to write 1 once, then 2, 3, and 4. This is A union B. So likewise, we need to write all the elements of A and B and writing only once for the common term. So that we need to check, is there any common term between A and B? 4, not 18, not 12, not 16, not 24, not 30, not 38, no 46. So there is no common term. So we need to write all the elements of A and B. 12, 16, 24, 30, 38, 46, 3, 13, 19, 21, 33, 37, 43, and 45. This is A union B. After that, question number 2 is B intersection Y. What is B intersection Y? For intersection, let's take this: A equal to 1, 2, just like the previous question. A equal to 1, 2, and 3. If we take this, and B equal to 1 and 4, the intersection is only the common term. We need to write only the common term. So A intersection Y, A intersection B for this is only one is common between A and B, so we need to write only one. Likewise, we need to check, is there any common elements in between B and Y, and we need to write only the common elements. So we need to check that there is 3 on B but not in Y. There is 13 is here in both not 19. 21 is here in board, not 33, not 37, not 43, and 45 is common in board. So this is B intersection Y. Number 3 is A intersection B intersection Y. For writing, this is complement. For complement, what is a complement? Complement is just that we need to have a universal set. Just say this is the universal set, and A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We have calculated that. And what is the complement of A union B? Or what is the complement of A complement? Simple set A. The complement is such that the elements of universal set excluding the element of the set, given set. Let's see about A. There is 1, 2, 3 in A. So we need to exclude this 1, 2, 3, and A complement is 4, 5. The remaining elements of universal set. So after that, let's check out A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to exclude 1, 2, 3, 4 from the universal set, and the complement will be 5. This is simple, right? So we need to calculate this first. So we need to calculate A union B union Y, right, first. So we need to check all the common terms of A, B, and Y, and we need to write only once for the terms. We have 4 in A, there is no 4 in any, in B and Y, there is 8 not in B and Y, there is 12 not in B and Y, there is 16 not in B and Y, there is 24. So we don't need to write this 24 again. We don't need to write this 30 also again, because 30 is here. We don't need to write 38 also again. 46, 3, we don't need to write 13 again. 19, we don't need to write 21 again. 21, 33, 37, 43, we don't need to write 45 again here. So from the Y set, we need to write only 18 and 49. So this is the set of A union B union Y. Let's write in this in ascending order. So the smallest term is 3, next is 4, next is 8. Let's do this. 3, 4, 8. Next is 12, next is 13, next is 16, next is 19, next is 18. Let's put here 18 first. 18, 19, next is 21, next is 24, next is 30, next is 33, next is 37, next is 38, next is 43, next is 45, next is 46, next is 49. So this is a set. So we have given that U is 1 up to 50. So right, so we need to exclude these elements from 1 up to 50, and that is the complement of A union B union Y. So the complement is 1, 2, there is 3 and 4 over here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. This is the complement of A union B union Y. So yeah, again let's write these terms for A equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 24, 30, 38, 46. B equal to 3, 13, 19, 21, 33, 37, 43, and 45. Y equal to 13, 18, 21, 33, 37, 43, 45. Z equal to 2, 15, and 44. Yeah, let's set these terms. Then let's again calculate the remaining y minus b. What is y minus b? How do we calculate y minus b? Just let's take the terms here. This is the example. B is 1 and 4, right? If what is a minus b? A minus b is such that the elements of A excluding the elements of B. So that is the element 1, 2, 3. If we exclude 1 and 4, 4 is already excluded, so the common term 1. If we exclude the common term 1 from A, so this is A minus B, that is 2 and 3. If we exclude all of the common terms of A and B is A minus B. So we need to exclude the common terms of B from Y. So let's check common terms. Y 13, there is 13 in B, so there is no 13. There is 18, and there is 18 because there is no 18 in B, so 18 is here. 21 is here, so we need to write 21. Why there is a 33 over here? 20, this is very sorry. This should be 24. This is very wrong. This should be 30. This should be 38. This should be 30, 44, 45, and 49. Very sorry about that. So we don't need to write 21, right? So after that, let's check 24. There is no 24 in B, so 24 is. There is no 30. There is no 38. There is 45, so we don't need to write 45. So the remaining term, this is A y minus b. This is the term y minus b. After that, let's talk about y into z. Y into z is the product of two sets is like this. We need to product all this with individual this. So A into B is equal to 1, 2, 3 into 1, 4, right? We need to multiply the individual numbers with the division number. So we need to write, not multiply, we need to write like this: 1 1, need to keep here, 1 4. Next, if we multiply 2, then 2 1, 2 4. Likewise, we multiply by 4, 3 1, and 3 4, like this. So for y and z, we have y over here and z over here. So if we do this, 13 2, 13 15, 13 44. Again, let's do over by 18, 18 2, 18 15, 18 44. Same ways, let's do by 21, 21 2, 21 15, 21 44. After that, 24 2, 24 15, and 24 44. 32 30 15, 30 44. 38 2, 38 15, 38 44. 45 2, 45 15, 45 44. And last 49 2, 49 15, 49 44. Yeah, this is the product of y and z. Next, let's talk about the fourth term. 6 b minus a union y. That's the here and the color. So first we need to take the bracket first. So we need to check any common elements of a and y, and we need to subtract that from the elements of b. So a and y, let's check over here. A 4, there is no 4 in 13, and y not I, then I 12, not 12, 16, there is 24 in board, 30 in board, 18 in board. So a and y intersection is 30, 24, 30, and 38, right? So we need to remove these elements from B. So is there any 24 in B? Is there any 30 in B? Is there any 38 in B? If there is not, then we need to write all the elements of B. B equal to 3 B minus A intersection Y is equal to 3, 13, 19. We need to check, is there any common in AY? There is no 19 in here, not 21 in here, not 30 in here, not 37 in here, not 43 in here, and not 45 in here. So this is the B minus A intersection Y. It is very small, but try to learn. A intersection B. Let's check is there any common element in both. There is 4, there is not 4 in B, there is no 8 and B in B, not 12, not 16, not 24, not 30, not 38, not 46. So in this case we need to write this. This is called null set. Null set is nothing but there is no element in that set, because there is no common elements between A and B, so we need to write the null set. There is no element common between A and B. After that, the last, A union Y into Z. So over here, A union is calculated over here. A union Y is 24, 30 and 38, right? And Z is equal to 2, 15 and 44. So their product will be A union Y into Z is equal to 24, 2, 24, 15, 24, 44. Next is 38, 2, 38, 15, 38, 43, 20, sorry, it should be 30, so let's say 32, 30, 15 and 30, 44. Yeah, this is for A union intersection C. This is number 8. So let's check over here. First we calculated A union B. Union is something that we should write all the elements of A and B and writing only once the common elements, right? So A union B. Next we calculate B intersection Y. B intersection Y. Intersection is simple, that we need to write the common elements only between the two sets or the given sets. Then we calculate the complement. Complement is such that we need to write all the remaining elements of universal set excluding the given set. Yeah, we have calculated that. This is number 3. Then for number 4 we calculated Y minus B. For Y minus B, it is simple that we need to exclude all the terms of B from Y. So just simple that we need to exclude the common terms of Y and B from Y. It is the simple formula. Next we calculate the product of Y into Z. Product of two set. Product of two set is we need to put all the individual sets together, individual elements of the set together one by one. This is called Cartesian product. Number 6. Yeah, number 6. B minus A union Y. We need to calculate A intersection Y. First we have calculated that here, and we need to remove these elements from B. So over here. After that, number 7, A union B. We calculated A union B, but what is A, not union, I'm sorry, A intersection. Intersection is the common elements between A and B, but we found that there is no common element between A and B, so we need to write the null set. Null set means there is nothing in this set. There is no element. No element in this set. After that, this is number 8. A intersection Y into Z. We have calculated A intersection Y over here in number 6. So we write that, and we write the elements of Z, and we product yet in the Cartesian form. In Cartesian form. Thank you.